Hi guys, this is Carol at Audio46 and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the brand new and most exclusive Audeze LCD-i3. In the box we can find 3 audio cables, one terminating in a 3.5mm plug, one Lightning cipher cable, and one Bluetooth cipher cable, a USB charging cable for the included Bluetooth cable, 2 sets of the new angled ear hooks, 1 set of the new ear fins, 5 pairs of ear tips, a cleaning tool, a cable clip, 1 snazzy carrying case. So my first impression of these headphones is that they're pretty big for my ears, especially I have small ears. But the design is very important for the efficiency of them. If you are an audiophile like me and you really care about the sound, this design is perfect. It's part of the iSign series. It has a magnesium housing and a grille design that reduces unwanted resonance and offers improved resolution. These headphones have Bluetooth 5.0 and the codec can take up to aptX HD. The battery life is of 8 hours and 2 hours to charge. I'm gonna try them for a few hours and I'll be right back to tell you what I think about them. So I'm back, and after a few hours of trying these headphones, I am really impressed with the sound. It's really a high-end sound in a really small headphone. At first I thought the headphones were too big, but they're actually pretty comfortable on the ears. Let's talk a little bit about the sound. I was really pleased with the low ends, especially because I'm a big hip-hop fan. I really like the punchy bass, but without getting too muddy. I felt the mids were a little bit reserved. You can still listen to some guitars and some vocals. The production is very nice. But still, some people like a more balanced sound. You can feel the contrast between the low ends and the high ends very pronounced. If you like bass very heavy like myself, you're gonna love these headphones. As I was saying, the contrast between the low and the high ends is very pronounced. For some people, the highs can feel a little bit overdone, but when I was listening to pop and rock songs, I was really feeling the brightness and the lightness of the sound, especially with female vocals. I didn't feel it was overdone at all, but that's just my personal preference. Regarding soundstage, when I first put these phones, I felt like I was transported to a different dimension. You really feel like the instruments are in the same room as you. But still, with a good space, a good ambience, I enjoyed this. After trying these earphones, I came to the conclusion that they will give a really high-end sound, and I'll definitely invest in them if your priority is sound. And if you are an audiophile like me, and if you like hip-hop, you like very thick low-end frequency, you're gonna love these earphones. What I didn't like about them is that if you're sleeping and you want to put in your head like this, it might bother you a little bit. Another thing is that they kind of stick together because they're magnetic. But this is not a huge problem, you know, you can just put them like in a nice bag, nice cloth, and insert in a bag. I'm pretty sure they're not gonna break or anything. They're pretty good material, and I really loved that there's like semi-open back. Really gives a nice ambience, and I love that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please like my video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.